Hi, I'm Chris Walker with Pioneer Electronics. I'm in charge of product planning for Blu-ray and optical disc development. Today here at Pioneer, we'd like to demonstrate one of our latest technologies called True 24 FPS. True 24 FPS was designed to show movies in the home theater environment the exact same way they were shown in the theater. Here we have a Panavision 35mm camera that is used to film most movies out that are shown in the theater today. This content is recorded on film at 24 frames per second. Once that movie is captured, it is played back off of reels of film such as this in that same 24 frame per second method that it was recorded at. Now, the process that this is going to take to get converted to video, to be made into a Blu-ray disc, it first has to get converted to digital video using a deck such as this D5. Now, once that film is transferred to digital video, it is stored at 1080p. Now, that 1080p content is the highest resolution available for high definition formats. But once again, the content is still stored at 24 frames per second, the same as it was filmed at. Now, once it gets converted to digital video, it is then transferred and recorded onto Blu-ray discs in its original 1080p 24 resolution, again maintaining the highest quality high definition video currently available. Now, what normally happens once that disc is played in traditional players, the video has to be converted from 24 frames per second into 30 frames per second to make it compatible with most existing high definition televisions. The problem with that is that obviously these 6 frames have to come from somewhere, and what normally happens is these players will actually add additional information that normally shouldn't be there by taking frames out of order and placing where they shouldn't. It could be a big problem in the home theater environment. What Pioneer has done with True 24 FPS is we've designed a series of products that are able to handle the content in its original native form. Here we have the Pioneer BDP HD1 Blu-ray player that was designed to handle this content and output it in its native 24 frame per second at 1080p resolution. We have here an audio-video receiver that is also designed to take this content and pass it through untouched, preserving its integrity. The final step here is out to the television set. This Pioneer Pro FHD1 will take the original 24 frame per second and display it in its native format, preserving the integrity and delivering the content exactly as the director intended.